here. All right, we are here. Hello, just checking the audio. Let me just set it up. Everything else as well. Hello, checking the audio. Hello, checking the audio. I still have to finalize my short form workflow because I wanted to be a regular one and just not once in a month or so on. So that's why it's a little bit time consuming for me to have a recurring maybe video making pattern and so on. Yeah, so I think by tomorrow, but I definitely the next day, maybe after tomorrow, I'm going to finalize on something and publish it as well. I'm on like 3 systems currently, one on Windows, one on Mac, and another one also on Mac. So we are streaming from one system, and another two I'm going to develop it. I have some urgent work as well, so if I look here and there, so just be aware. Of course my attention would be here, but yeah, the task or the things I'm developing in my let's say Windows one requires a less attention, but it requires some time, so I'm going to run in the background that. Okay, this is going to take some time. Let's not waste time here and Right. Hello, Kerry Jenkins. Hello. So in our history session, we found this. Let me just bite into my chewing, otherwise it will. Excuse me. Yeah, there's a uh, neurogem or something chewing gum, right? Neurogum, yeah. Otherwise it will go bad. So that's why. Great. So I will be putting a new API key on that what we call they have shipped something or not. Okay. No, I don't want your request. Okay. So that code, open code. So I'm going to put the free tier is very I would not say pathetic, but close to that, right? Because it will keep asking you to upgrade as soon as you start doing some real work. So instead what I'm going to do is put my API key, then let's just see. Okay, hello everyone. Hey, Sanju, hello. Let me just mute every device. I have a lot of devices, so that's why. Means IoT devices and running internet systems, some automation, some doing some. All right, let's first of all save the model because I know it. Then let's resume. What I'm going to do is firstly maybe let's take a screenshot. I don't remember taking one yesterday for the cost of this session. Then I will just compact it. I have few vertical mouse, but I think all of them are creating an issue for the scroll wheel. So I think there's something maybe I should update Mac. It's asking for an update, but I'm not sure why every scroll wheel is there. So if anyone knows here issue with Sequoia or latest Mac OS, is there issue with the scrolling or something, let me know. Or Apple is trying to do their best to sell me their magic mouse, but of course I don't like that flat mouse, so I won't be using it. I'll change Mac before I change to their pathetic mouse. In the long run it's very bad for your hand. what is that? Slack. Let me just check if there is any. Yeah, I was writing detail, but of course detail then it will give the summary and to next play. We don't require that. Let's check the npm packages if there is something or not. Okay, keep on forgetting to just promote this as well. I'm not sure why. It's too much stuff pending. Too many projects I'm involved in. I need to delegate the projects now, otherwise at this pace I can't keep an eye on everything. Why decreased? Okay, this version, this. Let's update the npm packages today as well. It's been quite a few days. What was that? Open design. I am going to give a Hoolies video and let's see if it can integrate in my hero section. If yes, I'm going to spend whole night today to just implement that in our live website. If not, let's do experimentation, and till I'm satisfied then we'll just do the needful. This was there, and then there's so many tools. Warp, I think I'm going to use open code today. Let me just. Okay, this is open code only, so why the. Is it able to run though? Okay, that's good then. Okay, I'm not going to undo the session. Okay, here is tray, here is open code. Let's go nuts and just try open design as well here. Why not, right? I wish I could share the whole, or maybe share my both screens. Yeah, I want to launch a whole. That's how we are going to develop it today. Hello everyone. Sorry. Let me check the live stream if I'm visible and everything is good. Do all the mask. Or whatever you have to. So I see the thing is we are running 3 different things, right? Developing. We are going nuts today. So this translation job and everything for a Claudian. Then this open cloud design, right? Open design or cloud design, whatever you call it, and open code. Yeah, updating our website, main website, or maybe just checking there somewhere some errors. So yeah, just checking. Okay. But the mouse is like now really troubling. Okay, how many? I hope they are freaking running on haiku. Otherwise, it should have written side like always. I'm running this on haiku. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 parallel agents we are running simultaneously. Then we are doing on open design updation, and then on the main website we are checking everything is working or not. So tray, then open code with API key, then open design, that is an alternative to cloud design but using an Anthropic API key only. So Anthropic API key I'm using on all 3. But yeah, that's how development. I should take a video or something, right? Okay, this is recorded, of course, so that it's a hook maybe for a short form video. Why not, right? uh, uh, okay, let me attach and this let it start working as well. This is hero. Let me see if it's able to synthesize this video or not. It's a video, so very okay. Did it? User want to integrate video, the landing page. Okay, do it. Yeah, I can change, you know, the where video is located. Don't worry, man. Just I have a clear picture. Yeah, it says that now I have a clear picture. Then I'm not going to show much of this because then there are two neon DB for this website. Just ignore the spelling. Just run test to see if website is able to talk to both of them. So I need a video container first. Child inside, hero positioning, absolutely fill the space, do whatever, man. Let's see cloud design on open cloud, how powerful it is. Not bad, means the mouse it's circular, but at least, you know, this glass morphism or haze, or you know, this effect is good, but when it's, you know, here, so it should also have something. This round circle is not that great. All right, how Ah. I think it's not able to see what it's developing completely. Let me just take a screenshot here as well. Otherwise it will just keep on just blabbering. Yeah, this is. Let's use ultra thing here. Memory updated extraction. Media provider. Oh, that's great, right? Let me check. Midjourney is also there. Suno for sound as well. That's pretty powerful. Okay, you could run routines as well. For design, what routines? Hygiene check every week or every day. What else you can do? Yeah, if there's a feature right in cloud design with team, like you are developing with Figma. So hey. Oh yeah. Hello, I think Vijay is here. Hmm. So yeah, it's of course not that smart right now, right? It did have their dashboard, so that's why this black square is there. So I'm asking just to put whole maybe this hero section inside this, and this could be just waterfall. But yeah, still not bad. This right design. And so yeah, in that the clock one like we saw yesterday, Vijay. So their symbol is there, I think, or what you call it, their logo. Let me just show you. Their logo is there. So if we are using something like, maybe we can I'll maybe just ask maybe today only. So yeah, you see their H logo. It's Huli's logo only. So let's maybe ask what was that yesterday we used for getting Omni, yeah, right? Let's ask Omni to just remove the freaking logo, and maybe then we can just put it in a tool as well. Yeah, it is running 12 parallel agents. Wait, I'll just here. This is also very not seeing what I wanted, but why it's flashing? Okay, it's still doing edit. This is a powerful tool, right? It's much more, I think, visually or maybe much more interactive, and let's say it's a mixture of Framer and Figma, I would say. Framer, or there are some more website builder that drag and drop, and it's they can utilize Figma as well. And Figma, of course, you will just design the components. So here you can inspect the components, let's say you can adjust some things and then just save to source. So that is also very powerful, that you don't some manual control is also there, because everyone knows it's not going to replace anytime soon the designer or your designer, but yeah, at least it's helping people. Let's say this one. Okay, that's really good. Let's check why it's blue. There's a comment section here as well if you are developing with team. Still not where I wanted it to be. Maybe we'll pick this, all this, and just cover it under here or something, and we'll remove this dropping this thing. This flashing is also not required. Yeah, it's already on loop. Yeah, the mask we put here before we can remove, and we can have this video and this some mask then. How do we edit here or this? I'm not sure it is going to do. I think we have to pick each of these components and put it somewhere like this here. It's not understanding what I'm trying to say, or I'm not elaborating it much. I mean, zoom the background video in such a way. Yeah, if I do zoom in, then see the main thing, I don't require the black box or this thing, right? The main animation or stuff is okay. Maybe okay, what, okay, I got it. Zoom in out, but this is then this thing is going to be visible, and then this water or droplet won't be very, let me then just try it zooming in more, but then whole this cloud effect is also there. It will be missing if I zoom in, if I want this section only. See what pathetic job it did. I knew it. Come on. Manually I have to pick, but it's okay that it has integrated video. That's enough, right? Yeah, in the test, maybe test branch, I'll just try to run this. Where is that open code? Okay, let me just check. The database are running. I think it's a server issue. They are a little bit slow. I think it takes 1 or 2 seconds to just show populate. Main DB UIT running, connected 9 user, this challenge events, the community DB running, database URL community running, database URL not shown in live. Okay, yeah. Database URL is missing from virtual expert sets, env variables. Okay, yeah, I think one of them I put it in Versal's env section. One of them I just asked code to just figure it out and just put it wherever you want. All right, I'll just maybe keep this session short, this one. Okay, I think now it's able to figure it out. Okay, I think it's getting there. If this floating section is this above place, we could remove all this and we could just cut it out here. Let me edit the video then, you know, otherwise it will just zoom in, so on. What I'll do is why not just do it right now? I'll just use DaVinci here to cut the video as I want, and then let's do it right now. I got it. We can cut it here so it doesn't look that bad. This thing then okay. Oh, sorry, I zoom in. Some tricks, checky Superman flying up and down. Yeah, I'll send you the website. I think there was one Indian developer that did the website. So what it did is the video was, he gave the video to Cloud Code and asked it to have a scroll website. So it was taking, you know, the picture of that Iron Man, you know, very in a very good way. I'll just have to find maybe in the history, like, you know, it was I think in short or some video. Can you send that video? I will experiment with that. Yeah, I'll just send it you on the Slack. Hero section. Yeah, indeed we have, yeah, but I don't want to lose the quality, right? Scaling, I know. Let me just do it right away, otherwise I'll also forget it. Man, what is why? I'll do it here. I'll edit the video. Okay, then I want to zoom. Okay, then I want to move the position. Let's do the Y first. Done. X not required. Okay, while I'll do, I need to zoom it a bit. Then I'll got it. I think we're here. Got it. Man, hero edit. I'll just check this. I'll do 265. What the done. So yeah, here is the detailed version. Let me check the clarity. Much better. I think upscaling to 4K is also looking much better now. Let me just check if this is not very okay. 6.5 MB, and earlier it was Hero 3.4, so it's almost twice the size, but I think it will work. Let's just check. Load zero edit. I hope this animation is not copyrighted by them or something, right? But yeah, if it's available on the internet for free just by using the link, so I don't think so it's their copy. If I can find, so anyone can find, right? So it's just about then, their, yeah, I think it was exposed, to be honest, and it's an open source platform. So if they, let's say they find it out somehow, they will ask to take down, then I'll do that, no problem. 45 plus guides, get started. Yeah, I think for first launch or at least MVP of this, repo for community, it's fine. Like I have spent too much on this now, developing time and money, so I think it's fine. Now we want community, or you can, any one of you can, just contribute to it as well. Let's make this at least 10,000 stars. Workflow, let's say error budget. Okay. Okay, alright then. Oh man. Cool. Is there a dark at the end? Not sure what you mean. At the end of the design, there's a dark. I'll show maybe the video. I'm not getting a question or. Okay, you mean to say this way, right? This 1 second difference. Yeah, if it's theirs, I think it's 10 millisecond, no, 100 millisecond something difference is there. It's because of the rendering, like I quickly rendered it. If it's there, I think it's just a bloody animation, not much. I can make this as well. It will take time, but done. We are done. Okay, done. We are done here. Oh yes, and video. No, you won't see here. So see in the player it does. Okay, it's here, millisecond here, it's showing here. 1 2 3 4, yeah, it's blinking little bit. Got it, got it. Good catch, man, good catch. Yeah, I'll edit in the final version, of course. I just quickly edited. I think in microseconds I have to, oh sorry, milliseconds I have to go and render it again. So it's just a 5-10 minute task again. I just have to check the millisecond, or what I'll do is I'll create a loop there only. Or maybe let's just do it right now while I'm here. I don't want to spend extra time here in this thing. What is your, what do you think now? Yeah, there is few millisecond. I'll just then just move it to frame. Okay, now it won't happen. Hero edit, what is quick, no, I want before, then I want H265, then I want timeline resolution, then Q. Done here. I'll just update it here. Let's see where the frick is the button. Yeah, so let's see now. I think it's, yeah, it was 4 second and 1 or 100 whatever microsecond, millisecond, whatever that was. Okay, now it's to the frame. To the frame it's starting, to the frame it's closing. There shouldn't be anything. Still, this looks cool. I think they used animation software or something, of course, but they use some AI also here or not. Oh, let me give this video to, what was that? You are, yeah, now it's cool. Definitely, man. Agar if this works out today, I'll spend the whole night just to implement this on a website, in live, like this one. Okay, it did. I think this haze effect also I can move. The haze effect on video section. I want to see the video clearly and don't. Okay, what was that tool? Omni, whatever. And one of the thing is like there every freaking tool is I think this was only there, right? Where is the video generation default? Yeah, can you not one other thing is I think we should not ask it question, right? We should give it command generate. Generate without any this is okay. I'm giving the what, this is not the way. Flow new project, this is video. I want 16:9 video, 2 iteration. I think 4 seconds is fine for our purpose, or let's make it 8. This and upload media is very small button. Hero edit 2. Rights to this video, make sure you have right necessary right content to upload, including content of mine is certain edits may restrict say policy regional editors. What, why 3 videos are there? Is it going to ready to commit all? Modify maybe let's yeah, I was trying to maybe make a similar sort of thing, right? Let's say if it's getting this type of quality and some similar animation, that means we can directly use, we don't have to worry about violating anyone's right or so on, right? But if it still doesn't, so I'll just still check, maybe I'll just email the team, Holy's team, and see if we can use the iteration of what the what did I do wrong here? Not getting what I did wrong here. Let me just upload the video first. Let it load. There you guys, add to prompt, I can see. Maybe let it upload, then I'll add to prompt. Okay, then this UI option is so pathetic. I'm uploading the video, okay, media, then I have to add to prompt as well. It's not automatically catching this. In other tools and something, there would be, add media and it automatically shows here, right? Okay, they are trying to, just have maybe a database or maybe whatever assets you want here. Then I'll just remove huli.io. uh, video length based on ingredients. So in okay, ingredients means here is the videos attached. So why generation will use 80 credits? Okay, do use 80 credits, but give me a good result then. Google, if you are listening, this is your test live on the internet. It will ask to commit first and then push it again when I'm committing, so just push it as well, right, man? What? Generating high quality similar attached. Let's see. Got it, where we were wrong. I should not indicate that remove watermark or something. I'll just remove it in post-production of the video. Any prompt anyone knows here? Check update, left navigation bar, uploads. Yeah. But you need to add it to prompt. General high quality videos similar to this attached from a website's hero section. Create animation, yes, carry. Last try, otherwise I think it's getting that this is copyrighted or something. That's why it's not able to generate. I'm giving a very simple prompt. So what policy am I breaking, bitch? .4K animation video of black hole from my website hero section. Yeah, I think it's picking up that it's Hoolies, or maybe there's some hidden watermark, right? Because in the video and video code, let's say YouTube as well, it has hidden watermarks or the code behind something that humans can't see, but this AI models or video generation can do. Okay, it's yeah, not that great quality, to be honest, not real. Uh-huh. I want interstellar movie type black hole maybe. Give me a minute, I'll just, yeah, prompt I think I have tried. I think it's the video that is troubling. It is identifying that it is from someone's assets. Let me just, give me 2 minutes. I'll let me just find that website, that cool Iron Man one. I think the guy did not even made their website. It was like, of course, Claude, and the video it asked to generate, but the website was beautiful. Let me just see. Yeah, got it. Got it. He's from Delhi only. 22 April. Okay. I hope it's somewhere visible, or we are here, right? Not sure which is here or not, right? But yeah, I hope you can see this. Okay. So this is what he did is created a video from I think 10 seconds video, and the prompt was very clear that it should have an Iron Man from different angles, and just every second just move the camera. And then what he did, sorry, was just give the video to this Claude design, or no, I think normal Claude only, right? And then it get, every then second that when you scroll it will move. Okay, so let's do the scrolling. I'll maybe just post the link, you can check it on your end as well. Yeah, yeah, some section or some images here is good quality. Some of them of course it's missing, because I think video he didn't use 4K, like you could see here it's 780 or something. But yeah, then this is good. This type of animation, right? It was just Claude code, and you see how good this all the background and this camera frame and everything is. I think this is good. Adobe After Effects. Okay, he built on that. Okay, might be build with Devani. Okay, you mean to say this effects he used. Okay, got it. Yeah, animation of course, After Effects you can put whole animation, and then just put assets, just one by one. But what he did instead is just give 10-15 second video, and after every second, then whenever camera angle moves, so it did ask you, to have it in a scroll, sequence. So that was like, not using After Effects or any animation software or anything. That was just one simple prompt or something. I think you can go to his YouTube channel or something like GitHub. I think he provided instructions there. Where it's fan art, not commercial use. And let Marvel see it, they will just ask, this is also not bad, right? Here's the GitHub, check that out. I think he then made okay, I think he was the only one who made that Big Bang. So yeah, what which I'm trying to do say here is, see what he gave simple prompt: add source video used to exact scroll wheels frame sequence or something. Let's sequences, frame sequences, right? So you see that it asks to just utilize the video, okay, and then match the maybe the scroll sequence for the website. So that was just a simple, very simple prompt. Yeah, with Claude only, not Claude design also. Yeah, I was surprised that Claude was able to do this. I think he used something else as well. But I think when we have good video asset or something, Claude will of course be helping out. And when we don't have, Claude is also helpless. going to give very simple prompt, last try, otherwise definitely it's something to do with copyright. Reimagine this. This is the most simplest prompt you can give for video or image generation that we want to get inspired and don't want to say we copied it. If it still doesn't generate, then that means this has some hidden watermarks. Let's check the npm package. I'll remove the access here. Package health, let's check. Okay. Yeah, this has the hidden watermark. If just saying reimagine this also is not giving. What are these called, ions or whatever, what these are called, protons, neutrons or whatever, plasma. I think yeah, Gemini also, I have that video option, right? Create video. uh, then upload. When it's generating images, then it's thinking and so on, right? But for video it doesn't show it's thinking. I'm not sure it's just with me or you could see, right? Error message, I think it shows when it doesn't want to create, or maybe the credits are over or so on. Perplexity, like used to create images. That's what happened, right? You buy account from India, then try it in another country. That's not possible because yesterday only I created some videos, right? Should I switch on the VPN? But yeah, okay, I have VPN on, that's why. Oh, man. Of falling. Okay, this is then good, right? I think we have it. What do you think, Vijay, Jerry? Scroll, yeah. uh, of course, the below section is similar, a little bit masking, or I would say edits are required. Okay, great, right? So this section, of course, yeah, this I'm going to move a little bit more, but this is also like looking good, a little bit black color blending, and let's say this is very sharp, right? This line, this is like, you know, cream color, or you know, whatever color would be, beige color or whatever, then it's just very sharply. So in this section there is going to be a little fade or hazing, or what do you call it, glass morphism effect or something. Then it will look, you know, it will blend. So that's of course I will do then, right? Yeah, just experimenting for this, you know, background only. Rest, I think everything is already there, all the components, I think. So it's a 6.5 MB video. Every time someone opens it's going to, okay, let me see if it's will be available on my current plan, or Versal would be able to load it in time. Otherwise, let's see. Does it have the video? Why it's having all the videos, right? I should delete this. I should also delete this. Seriously, don't you feel shame, Google? In May 2026 you are providing this type of video. The left side seems to be missing. Yeah, this is just a design, right? So it's like, you know, static page, landing page, right? So it's mostly providing, you know, like design MDs and, you know, instructions, so that when actually cloud code will develop, it will, you know, don't have to research or maybe experiment. We can just directly put our experiment there and just deal with it. So let's maybe okay. Let me experiment here only, because if I ask normal cloud, so it will just burn through. Okay, let's check the cost session. Yeah, $85. Promote it, guys. You as well, share with your friends, utilize this cloud code so that we generate some leads as well from this, right? So that it's worth the cost now. Okay, phase 13. Yeah, full screen, let it blend. I'll just show the full screen. Here it's the full screen as well. Yeah, so actually what happens in, or I think in this open cloud only, so this is the, like, end, this is like extra space, because it is like, resolution something is there, so it's not showing, the actual website, it's a static page. So you can see the border is like, here only. So you see in all the page and all the things, right? Everything is still here. So these are the extra border. In the website it will not show, or show, then I'll ask cloud code to of course resize it. Yeah, I think it's just a resizing issue because of the full screen, or this not sure in the cloud code happens. So that's the site actually that is built. When you go in full screen, that extra side is there, so that will be the actually side. Let me just show it like this then. Yeah, then it's also showing this side. It's, I think it will not be there, or let me just experiment sizing. I think it will handle. Corners are the key fix, where the I did not catch what I'm trying to say. Uh, Let me screenshot it, then edit this. Where the fuck? How do we change color? Then I'm not even seeing where the line. Okay, here it is. Then I think I'm not asking the right question, or maybe let's give this to Gemini uh, and ask how to solve this. What the what is going on, man? Uh, transition between light and solid color, dark and elevation background can definitely break the okay. To achieve seamless blend dark color reception, the cleanest approach is use CSS linear gradient. Yeah, that's what linear gradient word I was missing, right? Yeah, there's gradient, there's glass morphism now, liquid glasses also. There's so many effects are there. Anthropic, if you're watching this, make sure cloud design is not asking this or have this type of context as well. Yeah, I'm going to put whole code here if it doesn't work. See, that's why we have to use multiple AI tools, multiple models, right? Otherwise, like OpenAI, see what the all the menu option it did white. It didn't understand what I was trying to say. Otherwise, like OpenAI's model, it will say, yeah, you are right, you are right, you are right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. GitHub must be very happy now. Even the non-coders are making GitHub profiles and just making repositories and so on, because after the vibe coding thing, almost like then everyone is making an account and so on. What happened to the co-pilot or something, right? still using this. Cursor is the only one. Have they changed their prices? That's there's definitely way to do this, of course. But yeah, let's see how much time it will take to identify first of all, and how much time it will take to generate correct thing what I required. Done the before pseudo element file. I don't see. I don't think so it will be able to. Yeah, here is the gradient, right? Or transparent or whatever you wanted. I could see here, but in above I don't see it. Okay, sorry. After selling data, GitHub will be like money. Yeah, see, they what investors are also doing, right? Let's say for GitHub as well, they are not caring about the revenue they are generating. Let's say 11 labs as well, right? Voice AI agents. They don't care if they are going down or they are burning through money, right? Or investment money. Vijay, you are online, right? Did you see? You're seeing this, right? Oh man. Okay, so now how is it this is looking? Let's just say this is the website, right? crazy good, man, crazy good. So yeah, so what actually is happening is, of course, they are in the selling of the data business, right? They don't care about if they are burning through right now, right? At the end, like any, let's say, VC firm or VC, like venture capitalist, they are looking at the bigger picture, right? I worked with a lot of VCs, so they of course don't care about current state of the startup or current state of how much money they are burning. Their ultimate goal or objective would be to have at the end a great exit, right? Or even not exit, let's say they make their money back with great returns. So they will sell the data, they will sell to models, let's say through Anthropic and this as well, like all the code data. So they will make money, so they are not going to lose. So every website, let's say 11 labs as well, let's say voice agents as well, what they are of course doing is providing, to be honest, they're costing to them it's costing much more than they are gaining from the subscription currently. But why they are doing this? Because ultimately, let's say voice agents as well, right? There's no privacy. Your voice data, or the voice video file is going to their servers, and then it's crunching on let's say to the embeddings, and then it's going to the model, then it's converting back and so on. Then so yeah, so there's no privacy there, right? So they are training on your voice and how the pronunciation or abbreviation and so on, how to pronounce, and everything is would be there. So ultimately they will be selling to someone, or maybe they will be making their product great, so that they have competitive edge. Yeah, and in YouTube, everyone is saying, if you don't code or don't know how to code, use Cloud Code and so on. Yeah, for first use you can use. Yeah, second you can use. But ultimately, if you even try to make money from Cloud Code, then you need to know how to code, right? Otherwise, you will just go into tutorial hell. What YouTuber says, right? And why YouTuber says that you don't need to know code, you can develop this, because they are trying to gain some audience, right? Those who know how to code would watch maybe one or two YouTubers for a particular, let's say, new feature or something, right? Afterwards they will experiment themselves. But there's a whole audience, right? Or demographic, let's say those who don't code. So to attract them, they always say, right, you don't even have to code. So what will end up they will doing, they will make maybe a calendar app, maybe they will make a project management app, or maybe Pomodoro app, like task app and reminder app, and they think like they can make money from it. uh, I think you have to remove border from header and text gray 5 or 6. Yeah, I'll maybe do experimentation. Yeah, there's of course some things, but yeah, the main point to design currently here is this gradient thing, because this is very difficult to do in Cloud Code just alone. So Cloud Design or Open Design just serve the purposes, and then the small refinement what I'll do is this tweaks is button is there, right? You can change some colors and so on, right? Draw is there. Then comments is for teamwork. Inspect, you can inspect every element, and you can just change this as well. Let's say I want to change the font, and I want to change the color of this. Why? Whatever means every element or aspect, you can just modify it. Create. Yeah, for and first text. Yes, 9 rupees chip. Okay, okay, got it. B10x, right? Honestly, I know the guy. I think I met him once or twice. He was a friend of a friend. Um, I think their 99% budget of B10x goes into ads. and it's a upsell, right? Anyone who knows about sale or this type of, maybe anyone has joined the workshop, they know, right? It's a upsell, right? In yeah, and from where they are getting money. Let's say they are promoting AI tools for others, so they are getting money from them. In 9 rupees they don't get any money, and 9 rupees they also, they say on the their ad as well, right? They are taking so that bad people, or maybe people who don't want to take action, don't join or something, right? To something, to have something maybe. Yeah, they are making money from then, upselling products or subscription, or not subscription means their courses, right? Bigger courses and bigger community, whatever they want to sell, right? I haven't joined their session in a while, so I'm not sure what product now they are selling. But yeah, that guy is, just created this tool. So people don't understand. People, let's say people pay 9 rupees or something, right? uh, it changed on the adopt color. Yeah, means it is going to into instruction, right? If I'm changing something, like it's going to into the instructions, or let's say landing page code, so it's automatically updating. Then when I will just download the code, so it already has. So it's like, Figma and Framer combined. Yeah, I'll just change. This requires some more time, I think. In live session I'm not going to do. Afterwards I'm going to do. Yeah, and then yeah, 9 rupees guy, and yeah, then he's saying, I'll show you how to make this. I'll show you how to make this. Yeah, anyone can see, on YouTube, right? But the people don't understand. Then these tools are also not free, right? When you sign up, maybe they will say that it's free, but after maybe 1 or 2 generation, or not, in some tools not even 1 generation, they will say just subscribe to first our plan or something. Yeah, so it's just a, selling point or something, advertisement. I'm pretty sure 90% of their cost is just for ads. Even though I have told Google how many times I hate their ad, just block it. Still see. Okay. I think I'm going to take a little bit break. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining us. So I'll maybe join later, or maybe just develop it further, and maybe let's see the final version tomorrow in session. Okay, I'll just experiment on it, but yeah, those who are watching maybe now can see, Cloud design is also not, of course, very well optimized currently, or maybe giving instruction is just doing the research. Maybe don't do research, or ask it to do research. Ask maybe to solve problem, maybe on the Gemini model or chat GPT, whatever you use. And if they give the code, just try and show Cloud design with the code. It will be much better result. Otherwise you will keep, following, like, okay, bye. Yeah, bye. Good night everyone. Great, see you tomorrow then. Bye.